Hello students, this is chapter 2 of history from class 6 and the chapter name is The Earliest Society. In this chapter we will read about the early human and their life, how they live, what they wear, eat, etc. So before starting this chapter, I want to tell you in the first chapter we have read about past, about history, about many sources which help to know about our history, and in this chapter we will know about the earliest human, the earliest society. When the earliest society, what came to in our mind that time, one image create in our mind, and that is the stone. So we are in this chapter we are talking about the stone age, and to read this age the source are stone tools. And humans have evolved greatly through the millions of years that mark their existence on earth. And in the early stage humans were hunter gatherer and nomads. And I want to tell you one thing more. Early humans lived a primitive life. They did not wear anything during summer. They only wear, or we can say that they only cover their bodies during the winter season. They feel cold and the rainy season, and they, for this purpose they used animal skins and bark of the trees and leaves to keep themselves warm. So in this chapter we will read about stone age, which are give us information about many stone tools, many peoples which belong this period. So we can divide it, this age in three part on the basis of stone tools. The first period is Paleolithic age or old stone age. So Paleolithic word means Paleolithic can be divided in two parts. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. So Paleolithic means stone age. Second, Mesolithic or middle stone age. Meso means middle and lithic means stone. So we call Mesolithic is our middle stone age. And third is Neolithic, which means new stone age. So first I am going to tell you about Paleolithic age or stone, old stone age. The time period of Paleolithic or old stone is around 20 lakhs years before 12,000 years, and it is the longest part of the history. Any other period is not so long like the Paleolithic age, and it is further divided into three parts: lower, middle, and upper Paleolithic age. And in this duration human used crude stone tools for their complete their purpose, related from their food habits and protect them from wild animals, etc. And in this time temperature was very low, so that was not suitable for agriculture. So this duration human were hunter and gatherer, because agriculture was not possible. Temperature were very low, and for complete their food purpose they always move place to place and search in food and water. And second thing, temperature was very low, so they cannot stay in open space, so they always settled in caves, which protect them from winter and rain also. Next point is Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. This period before 12,000 years have seen some climatic change. And this duration fish was the most important source of the food in the Mesolithic age. Grasslands were also developed, and 99% incidents happened in this period. So, um, in this duration, people use stones for making their tools, and their tools were totally different from the Paleolithic period. And in the Mesolithic age, humans use uh, stone, animals' bones, and horns for make their tools, and they were also sharpened. Third point is Neolithic or New Stone Age, and this period latest from about 8000 BC till about 4000 BC. The New Stone Age in this sorry in the New Stone Age, tools were further improvement, and earlier varieties comparison than the earlier varieties of tools. These tools were much sharper than the ones used in the Mesolithic period, and they were also polished and sparks, and a large number of access skills spared have been founded in this duration. And in Neolithic age, first farmer and herders have founded. Next point, the Paleolithic or the Old Stone Age. In this point, we will knowing about the hunting and gathering, and their settlement, tools, and invention of fire, many things. So, in the beginning, early man so called hunter and gatherer. In the beginning, man were hunter and gatherer, because I have told you in the Paleolithic age the temperature was very low, and in that time agriculture was not possible, so they cannot grow any food and fruits, and they have no any idea about the cultivation. So for their food purpose, they always move from one place to another place, and they stay longer one place for their complete food habit purpose. And this was because of the, and there are some other reasons for this purpose. Point number one, they did not know how to produce their food. Second is plants and trees on which they are totally depend are their food source. They were different in season to season. Third, animals food also farmers a major part of their food, because that time they have no any idea about the agriculture. Next point is availability of water, and all of you knowing that the water is most important things in our life, and without water we cannot survive our life. So water is a various source of life, or we can say that the water is the important source of life from the ancient time till now. And early humans always spend their life like nomads, and they want